Welcome to Royal Brains Executive Kindergarten and Primary School, Ruaka Campus. We teach, inspire, and transform young minds to achieve their fullest potential. We identify, nurture, and develop child's individual talents. Register today at Royal Brain School Executive Kindergarten and Primary School, Ruaka Campus, a unique and executive school where the future begins.
Good morning, boys and girls. I hope you're keeping safe by washing your hands, staying at home, and using a mask if in case you are moving out. Now, yesterday, you can recall what we did yesterday. We discussed about perimeter. And we said perimeter is the distance around the figure. But today now, we want to check something known as area. Area is a familiar thing that we have done in previous classes. So let us today want to discuss about area of a square and area of a rectangle. And here is with me here. This is a square, my friend. This is a square. When you check this figure here, it's a square. And we say that in square, all sides are equal. And we've been told to calculate the area. How will you calculate the area? And remember very well that there are two methods. Remember of the perimeter, and I want to insist on perimeter. We said perimeter, for us to get perimeter, it was side times 4. This is the formula of finding perimeter of what? Of a square. Now we want to discuss about finding the area of a square. Good. Let us now move. Area, for us to get the area of a square, the formula will be side times side. Why do we say it is side times side? Because all sides of a square are equal. So that's why we use side times side. Now, an example we have been given that 9 centimeters. And this is also 9 centimeters. Next time, they will write for you something like this. They will not even tell you it is 9 centimeters. They will put these marks here. Then, let us say, Apo Mendika, 9 centimeters. Then you have been told to calculate the area. So this sign here means, this one means that all sides are equal. When you see sides like that, so when you have seen, we have given you only one side, the measurement of one side, and you have not been given the other side, and it is a square, it means all the sides are 9 centimeters. So it is not a matter that the length and the width, all both sides must be written 9, 9. No, that one is wrong. So we can even say, I can even decide to write here 9 centimeters, provided they have said square. Provided they have said square. So it means when you have seen a square, it means when one side is 9 centimeters, it means all the sides are 9 centimeters. Now let's go back to the question. You have been told, calculate the area of a square. This one is 9. Calculate the area of a square. So it means the side will be, area will be side times side. And what was the side? The side was 9 centimeters. So it will be 9 centimeters times 9 centimeters. You can even see, this one is 9, this one is 9. So it means all sides are equal and the numbers also must be the same. The numbers also must be the same. So we have 9 representing side. We also have another 9 representing 10. So we said 9 times 9 is equal to 81 centimeter squared. Note, all sides of a square is equal. So that's the formula of finding the area of a square. And there's something very important here that we have forgotten. In square, we have to must write this one here. It is a mark. Remember in perimeter, we just wrote there, let us just say it was 22 centimeters. So in perimeter, we just write 22 centimeters. We just write the unit. But area, it must be 22 centimeters squared. Let's see the next thing. Now, we want to calculate now the area of a rectangle. This is a rectangle. two opposite sides which are parallel are what? Equal. Here I have a rectangle with me, a rectangular figure, a box. So this side here, when you look at this box, this side here, this one is known as length. Here it is. Then this side here is width. Here it is. Are you together, class? And you can tell me the formula of finding the area of the perimeter of a rectangle. Yes, yeah, it is 2 into length plus width. 2 into length plus width. Let's now see the formula of finding the area of a rectangle. This is a rectangle here. So let us see. Area of a rectangle is equal to length times width. And I've already explained using this box that we have the length and we have the width. So let's come back here. So if the length is 9 centimeters, we write here length is 9 centimeters and the width is 5 centimeters. So this one also becomes 5 centimeters. So let us now multiply. We just take 9 centimeters times 5 centimeters. What do we have? We have 45 centimeters squared. Any question? Any question? Let's move. Good. Now, this is an exercise we want now to do together. This is an exercise we want to do together. Find the area and the perimeter of the figure below. Find the area and the perimeter of the figure below. I want to start with the area, with the perimeter first. So with the first formula, we say perimeter is equal to 2 into length plus width. Next, so we say 2, what is the length? We have the length here to be 12 centimeters plus 10 centimeters bracket. Next step, it will be 2 times, we have what is here, 12 plus 10 is equal to 22 centimeters. Let us multiply 2 times 22, what do you get? 44 centimeters. This one becomes perimeter. You have seen how we have calculated the perimeter. You have seen the difference. Let us now check the area since we have done perimeter. Using the same figure, let us use the same figure here to calculate the area. Remember, write it somewhere. Perimeter was 44 centimeters. Let us see if the numbers can be the same. Let us move to the area. The formula for finding the area of a rectangle is equal to length times width. So we say area is equal to, what is the length? This one is the length. So it will be 12 centimeters times, what is the width? 10 centimeters. So let us multiply. 12 times 10, what do you get? You are going to get 120 centimeters squared. When you check here, area is equal to 120 centimeters squared. Now check the difference. In perimeter we have 44, but in area we have 120 centimeters squared. But we're using the same figure. So it means in perimeter, in this area, we have to write this one here. In perimeter, you are not allowed to use 2. You are not supposed to write square. You just leave it like that. Is there any question, class? Before? Is there any question? Any question? Any question? Good. Okay. Any question, boys and girls? If there is no any question, we are going to end the lesson from there. Have a nice time until we meet again. Bye bye.